The internet is extremely slow. What's going on?
Hello, I'm calling about my internet connection.
Hi, thank you for calling. My name is Jack. How can I help you today?
My internet is really slow. It's been like this for 2 days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I have your account number, please?
Sure, it's 4482910.
Thank you. Let me check your account. One moment, please.
Okay, no problem.
I can see your account here. What is your name?
Mali?
Thank you, Mali. Can you tell me more about the problem?
Videos keep stopping. Web pages take a long time to open.
I understand. Does this happen on one device or many devices?
It happens on my laptop and my phone.
Okay, that's helpful. Are you using Wi-Fi or a cable?
Wi-Fi. My laptop is in the living room.
How far is the laptop from the router?
Maybe 5 meters. There's also a wall between them.
That could be part of the problem. Walls can weaken the signal.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, it's common, but let's check other things first.
Okay.
How old is your router?
I think we got it 3 years ago.
That's good to know. Have you restarted the router recently?
No, I haven't.
Let's try that first. Can you find the power button on the router?
Yes, I see it.
Please turn it off. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on.
Okay, I'm turning it off now. It's off.
Great. Please wait 10 seconds.
Okay, 10 seconds are up. I'm turning it on again.
Perfect. It will take about a minute to restart completely.
All right, I'll wait.
While we wait, how many devices connect to your Wi-Fi at home?
Let me think. My phone, my laptop, a smart TV, and my sister's phone.
Okay, 4 devices. That's a normal number.
Is that too many?
No, 4 devices shouldn't cause slow speed by itself.
The lights on the router are on now.
Good. Can you check your internet speed again?
Let me open a speed test website. Okay, it's loading. It still looks slow.
I see. What speed does it show?
It says 8 megabits per second.
Thank you. According to your plan, you should get 50 megabits per second.
Really? That's a big difference.
Yes, that's not normal. Let's check a few more things.
Okay, what should I check?
Can you check if there is a service outage in your area?
How do I do that?
I can check it from here. Please give me a moment.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, I don't see any outage in your area right now.
So, what could be the problem?
It might be the router. It's a bit old for your current plan.
What do you mean?
Some older routers can't handle higher speeds well.
Oh, I understand now.
There are a few options we can try.
Okay, what are they?
First, we can send a technician to check the connection at your home.
How long does that take?
Usually, the visit takes about 30 minutes.
When is the earliest appointment?
I have an opening tomorrow at 10 a.m.
I work in the morning. Do you have anything in the afternoon?
Let me check other options for you.
Thank you.
I see an appointment on Thursday at 3 p.m.
Thursday afternoon works better for me.
Great, I'll note that down.
What's the second option?
The second option is to replace your router with a new one.
Does that cost money?
There's a small fee, but it's often included in some plans.
How much is the fee?
It's usually around $15.
That's not too expensive.
It's also possible to buy your own router instead.
What's the difference?
Our router works well with your plan. A different brand might need extra setup.
I think I prefer your router then. It sounds easier.
That's a good choice for most customers.
Can I get the new router without the technician visit?
Yes, we can mail it to you, or you can pick it up at a store.
How long does shipping take?
Shipping usually takes 3 to 5 business days.
That feels a bit long. Can I pick it up sooner?
Yes, our store on Main Street has routers in stock today.
That sounds better. What are the store hours?
The store is open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Great. I can go there after work.
Perfect. I'll add a note with your account number for pickup.
Thank you. Do I still need the technician visit?
Let's keep the Thursday appointment just in case the new router doesn't fix it.
That makes sense.
If the new router solves the problem, you can cancel the visit anytime.
Okay, that sounds fair.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. My monthly bill seems a bit high.
Let me check your current plan for you.
Thank you.
You're on the 50 megabit plan for $40 a month.
Is there a cheaper plan available?
There's a 30 megabit plan for $30 a month.
Would that be enough for 4 devices?
It could work, but streaming videos on the TV might be slower.
I don't want that. We watch a lot of shows in the evening.
In that case, I'd suggest keeping your current plan.
Okay, that makes sense. I'll keep it as it is.
No problem. Would you like a text message when the router is ready?
Yes, please. My phone number is on the account, right?
Yes, I can see it here. I'll send a message once it's ready today.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there a good payment method on file for the small fee?
Can I pay by card when I pick it up?
Yes, that works. You can pay by card or cash at the store.
Great. I'll pay by card then.
All right, I've added that note as well.
One more question. Will I lose internet during the router change?
You'll only need to disconnect the old router for a few minutes.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Exactly. The setup is simple. Just plug in the new router and turn it on.
What if I have trouble setting it up?
You can call this number again, and we'll guide you through it.
That's reassuring. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Let me confirm everything before we finish.
Sure.
You'll pick up the new router today at the Main Street store.
Yes, that's right.
The technician visit is still set for Thursday at 3 p.m., just as a backup.
Correct.
And your plan stays the same at $40 a month.
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. You'll receive a text message shortly.
Thank you so much for explaining everything clearly.
It was my pleasure. I hope your internet speed improves soon.
Me too. Have a nice day.
You too, Molly. Goodbye.
Goodbye.